A massive winter storm is now targeting New York City, and forecasters say the next 24 hours could bring conditions we haven't seen here in nearly a decade. Good afternoon, New York. A powerful nor'easter is rapidly strengthening along the East Coast, expected to deliver heavy snowfall, dangerous winds, and near blizzard conditions through Monday. Right now, much of the region is seeing rain or a rain snow mix, but don't let that fool you. Meteorologists say conditions will change quickly this afternoon as temperatures fall, turning everything over to snow by evening. Overnight is when this storm becomes most dangerous. Snow could fall at rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour, with total accumulation across New York City expected to reach between 16 and 24 inches, potentially making this the biggest storm since the historic 2016 blizzard. Wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour may create whiteout visibility and make travel nearly impossible. Officials are strongly urging residents to stay off the roads, while airlines have already canceled more than 6,000 flights nationwide, including major disruptions at JFK and LaGuardia. There's also a risk of coastal flooding and widespread power outages as heavy, wet snow combines with powerful winds. More than 35 million people across the Northeast are now under blizzard warnings, and forecasters say the storm could rapidly intensify into what's known as a bomb cyclone. City crews are preparing plows and salt spreaders, but officials say the safest plan is simple: stay home, prepare for outages, and avoid travel during the storm's peak tonight into Monday morning. If predictions hold, this storm could push this winter into one of the snowiest seasons New York City has recorded in decades. Stay safe, stay indoors, and keep following updates as this major winter storm unfolds.